everyone, welcome back to the channel Cars Mania. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the all-new 2025 Nissan Juke. Known for its bold design and compact SUV appeal, the Juke has made quite an impact on the market, and the 2025 model takes things to the next level. Before watching the video, kindly like and subscribe channel by hitting the bell icon. Starting off with the exterior, the 2025 Nissan Juke maintains its signature quirky and aggressive styling, but with a more refined and modern touch. The front fascia features a sleeker V-motion grille, complemented by sharp LED headlights that give it a futuristic vibe. The redesigned bumper and aerodynamic lines add a sporty feel, while the new alloy wheel designs and color options provide a fresh and customizable look. The rear end is just as striking, with updated taillights and a sporty roof spoiler that enhances the vehicle's overall character. Moving to the interior, Nissan has stepped up its game with premium materials and advanced technology. The cabin feels more spacious and comfortable, with high-quality soft-touch surfaces and upgraded leather upholstery available in higher trims. The dashboard design is clean and modern, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a larger infotainment screen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new ambient lighting system adds a luxurious touch, while the upgraded sound system ensures a top-notch audio experience. Rear passengers also benefit from improved legroom, making the Juke a practical choice for families and road trips. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Nissan Juke offers a range of powertrain options to suit different driving preferences. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine, delivering a peppy and fuel-efficient performance. For those seeking more power, the 1.6-liter turbocharged engine provides a more dynamic driving experience with improved acceleration and handling. Nissan has also introduced a hybrid variant that combines an electric motor with a 1.2-liter engine, offering enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The Juke's suspension has been fine-tuned for better ride comfort and stability, while the optional all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction on various road conditions. In terms of technology and safety, the 2025 Juke is packed with advanced features. It comes equipped with Nissan's ProPilot Assist, which offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities for a more relaxed and safer driving experience. Other safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easier parking and maneuvering. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model starts at around $24,000, offering great value for those looking for a stylish and tech-savvy compact SUV. The mid-range trims, with added features and better performance, range between $27,000 to $30,000. For those opting for the top-tier hybrid or performance-oriented models, the price can go up to $35,000. Considering the features and performance the 2025 Juke offers, it's a competitive option in its segment. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Juke combines bold design, advanced technology, and impressive performance in a compact SUV package. Whether you're after a stylish city cruiser or a versatile family car, the Juke delivers on all fronts. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews and updates. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on the 2025 Nissan Juke. See you in the next video.